A well is there, you have seen well, a well is there, and this is a spring. This is a spring, this is a spring, this is a pond or a lake or a dam, you can say. This is rainfall, and this is a well. Stay in villages, we have pond, we have well, we have lake, we have river, we have many shallow water, we have many other things from where we get water. But in urban areas, that means the rural area. That means rural means village, urban, cities. Cities, there are scarcity of less water in cities, but maximum use. There is very little water in cities, but there is maximum use of water in the cities. Everything is done in machine. Even the high-rise buildings are having huge pump sets. There are washing machines, there are dishwashers, there are other many things which are uncounted. These urban water stations, components typically include water collection and storage facilities of source sites like water transport via adequate canals, tunnels and pipelines. They use canals, tunnels and pipelines. There is a storage of water. From there, they take pipelines, canals, pipes, canals, and they use tunnels also to take water to their places. So this is one of the most important part of the urban area where they don't have any storage of water, but a common storage is here. A common storage of water is there, from where they use pipelines, they use canals, they use tunnels, and they take the water to their own houses and to their own buildings. Water treatment is very important. We cannot drink bad water, can we? If we drink bad water, we will have diseases. Nowadays, COVID-19 is very important. It has become, but it is not water contaminated water disease. But still, we have many diseases like cholera, and other diarrheas and all are due to water. So we must be very regular with our water. Cleaning. Water treatment is so very necessary. Millions of people use water. The clean water goes to different parts of the city in pipelines. And drinking water, it is very important. The important lines are given here. They are the codes. Drinking water is like washing and your insides. If there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. If there is a magic in the planet, it is contained in water. Water is life's matter and matrix, mother and medium. Water is mother and medium. In time, with water, everything changes. Believe that water is the only drink for a wise man. Water is the only drink for the wise man. Water is the soul of the earth. So water is the soul of the earth. Now we have some I was telling you that water must be very clean when we are drinking it or when we are using it. So water contaminated diseases are many, like polio, malaria, cholera, dengue, scabies, typhoid, anemia, then food poisoning. That is called botulism. It is also called botulism. It is also very, very dangerous because once you have stomach poisoning, it is very tough to be cured. So and remember, water is measured in liter. Water is measured in liter. So 1 bottle of water, I wash my face and throw it away. 1 bottle of water, I take 3/4 and drink it and throw it away. 1 bottle of water, I just brush my teeth and throw it away. And this is not to be done in any case. Saving water is very, very important. Save water. And rainwater harvesting is another process by which we store the rainwater and use it by filtering and for different purposes. So rainwater, we are not going to do not waste rain water. Store and use. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.